चीज़ है सर।
चीज़, तो ये 3 सॉसेज, इसके लिए दही दही बटर, अमूल बटर ही यूज़ करते हैं। I thought it would be tasting like the pav bhaji because it's made in the same tawa, but no, it is completely different and the masala is very different from the pav bhaji. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the most famous beach of Mumbai. That's the Juhu beach itself. People in Mumbai know what this beach is all about. If you can see behind me, you have multiple people, and today is Wednesday, so see the crowd, guys. But yes, talking about Juhu beach, we can find out families which have come together. You'll find this place more crowded on the Saturdays and Sundays. But also talking about the food over here, we have food courts here exactly opposite the beach, so we are going to review that place as well. We are going to try the food, and also we are going to see if that is pocket friendly for us or no. So let's get started, guys, and let's explore Juhu today, and also we are going to explore the food and review the food. So let's get started, guys. So this is the inner place of the food court where you can try delicious food over here. So guys, right now we are in food court area, and if you're in Juhu and if you don't try any chaat out here, then you're not in Mumbai. So let's go and try some chaat. So let's see where we find the best chaat over here. So we are at A1 भेलपुरी चाट सेंटर. तो आपके पास क्या स्पेशलिटी भाई?
सब स्पेशलिटी है, बोलो क्या खाना आपको? भेलपुरी है, दहीपुरी है, सेवपुरी है, रगड़ा पड़ी है, मसाला पूरी है।
एक दही पूरी बनाओ।
एक दही पूरी मिर्ची मीडियम रहेगा साहब?
मीडियम मीडियम। तो ये दुकान कब से है यहाँ पे?
दुकान तो 80 साल हो गया।
80 साल हो गए।
मिर्ची मीडियम रहेगा आप पे? बोलो
मीडियम रहेगा। चाट मसाला,
चाट मसाला।
कौन सी चटनी?
टिक्का वाला, पुदीना वाला,
पुदीना।
और ये खजूर का है,
खजूर का चटनी,
मीठा।
दही
दही चटनी पूड़ी। चटनी पूड़ी
थैंक यू।
चटनी पूड़ी कितना? एक दो।
So this is the dahi puri over here, guys. Looks very delicious. So let's give it a try, and I'll let you know okay, what is the price for this dahi puri, and also how is the taste out here. So guys, let's try this dahi puri from the A1 chaat center, the Bhelpuri and chaat center. So this is costing 80 rupees. So let's try and let's see if this is worth 80 rupees or no. And this place has a hype over here, so we'll see if it's really a hype or not. So guys, cheers. This is the first thing what we are trying over here. So let's dig into it. 3, 2, 1. Subscribe, guys. Let's go in. So guys, over here, when you're coming, this is a little bit on a spicier side, but if you don't like spicy, you can let them know. They have different sort of chutneys over here, the toppings which you can add into it, and you can make this dish more sweeter. But overall, a very good dish. I give a good score. You can see the score down here below, which I've given it to this dish, the dahi puri out here. So a thumbs up for this dish. A1 Pani Puri and Chaat Center. You can come down anytime over here and try this dahi puri. I guarantee you guys, I bet you will love this. 80 rupees for a chaat. बहुत बढ़िया था भाई दही पूरी आपका। तो वैसे वैरायटी और क्या क्या है आपके पास?
तेल पूरी है, सेव पूरी है, मसाला पूरी है, रगड़ा पड़ी से है, पानी पूरी है।
तो ये कब से कब तक का चालू रहता है आपका दुकान?
11 बजे तक।
और 365 डेज
सुबह से 7 बजे
डेली, कोई दिन बंद नहीं रहता। Okay, bhai. Thank you very much. So guys, we are on to the second place over here at the Juhu food court. So we are at the Italian house. So guys, we are here to try their famous twister, the potato twister. So let's see the potato twister making, and I'll give a review of that as well. So let's see if this is worth the price or no. So guys, let's watch the making for the potato twister. So guys, we have taken their very famous dish over here, which includes triple sauce. So this is their menu, and you can check the menu. You can pause the video and check the menu. So they sell sandwich, burgers, fries, momos, but we are trying their potato twister over here, which is a triple sauce for 140 rupees. So let's check the making, guys. तो ये दुकान कब से है यहाँ पे? 5 साल. So this is completely chopped into their maker, and they spread the whole thing, and then they turn into a very beautiful twister. So this is how the twister is made, guys. कौन सा बैटर है भाई? किसका? बेसन का रहता है. अच्छा, और आपका जो मिक्स स्पाइस रहता है उसमें चाट मसाला रहता है. तो ये कितना मिनट के लिए फ्राई होता है? 2 मिनट में हो जाता है. 2 मिनट में फ्राई हो जाता है. तो दिस इज हाउ दे फ्राई इट इनटू देयर फ्राई. So as far as it gets ready in 5 minutes. Chaat masala, peri peri masala. ये कौन सा सॉस है? मायो. पेरी पेरी सॉस. चीज़. तो ये 3 सॉस है, इसके लिए इसका नाम 3 सॉस ट्रिपल सॉस. थैंक यू. So guys, this is their twister, the 3 sauce twister, which we got it from the Italian house. So let's try this, guys, and we'll review this as well. So guys, this is the more than 1 foot twister. So this is a price for 140 rupees, as I said, and this is a 3 sauce twister. I really don't know how to eat this, it's such big. So let's find a way to eat this, and I obviously have to review this thing for you guys. And this is the first time I'm having a twister. I've never had a twister, but for you I'm having this twister. So let's remove it this way and we'll try it. The hands might get messy, guys. So the peri peri masala on the potato, it's fried crispy. Addition to this, the 3 sauces which is added along with the cheese has a good combination. And really, guys, come and try this. I've heard many things about this. The hype over here in Juhu food court, it's good to go, guys. 140 rupees might be on the higher side, but to try something different and something which would be different for your palate, so this would be a better option to try out here, maybe for a single time in your lifetime. If you have not tried the twister, you can come down here, you can try the twister, and I guarantee you guys will love it. So one more. भाई अच्छा था वो 3 सॉस, थोड़ा वैरायटी अच्छा लगा उधर का. तो आपका ये दुकान कब से कब तक का चालू रहता है?
सुबह 10 से 11:30 बजे रात में.
सुबह 10 से 11:30 बजे. कभी छुट्टी रहता है यहाँ पे? नहीं. 365 दिन.
365.
ठीक है, थैंक यू. So now we are here at the Siddhivinayak fast food. So they are famous for their pav bhaji over here. So let's try their pav bhaji, and let's see the review of the pav bhaji itself. एक पाव भाजी बनाओ ना. तो ये दुकान कब से है यहाँ पे?
ये तो हमारे क्या 30 साल से हो
30 साल से।
93 के ऊपर हो गया
93 के ऊपर हो गया, 93 से पहले से ही। तो यहाँ पे यही स्टॉल पे था क्या? किसके?
उधर था, उधर साइड इधर।
अच्छा, दूसरे साइड पे था। एक चीज़ पाव भाजी लगी। So let's see the making. So this is already the batter which they make and keep it ready, and later they add their spices and their butter into it. So we have ordered the cheese pav bhaji. So we would be reviewing the cheese pav bhaji of the Siddhivinayak Fast Food Center. ये क्या धनिया और क्या पानी? बटर अमूल बटर ही यूज़ करते। तो as per as them they only use Amul butter as you see. कभी छुट्टी नहीं रहती? 365 चालू?
नहीं छुट्टी हम लोग को रहता तो हम लोग जरूरतमंद का तो बोले।
अच्छा, नहीं ऐसा नॉर्मली रहता नहीं।
हम लोग छुट्टी कभी जरूरत रहता तो
So we are adding more water into it to make it little bit thick.
मीडियम सर।
Medium. See the amount of butter guys, and this is cheese. Now they would be frying the bread in butter. बहुत ज़्यादा बटर यूज होता है।
हाँ हम लोग
जैसे नॉर्मली ये इतने बटर में, मतलब सब जो भी आएगा यहाँ पे इतने बटर में।
अपना नाम
So guys, as it's famous over here in Jewel food court, so the amount of butter which goes into it is, तो कितना अमाउंट ऑफ बटर जाता होगा इसमें ग्राम के हिसाब से?
60 के ऊपर जाता है।
60 के ऊपर जाता है, मतलब 100 तक का भी जा सकता है पूरा बटर में। So as per as then, the amount of butter which goes into one pav bhaji is like 100 grams of butter. It's too buttery guys. So let's taste. So this is the cheese pav bhaji from the Siddhivinayak Fast Food Center. So let's try and review this guys. So this is the cheese pav bhaji from the Siddhivinayak Fast Food Center. So let's go ahead and try guys. Just look at the pav bhaji. It's completely loaded with cheese, butter, and the butter is completely soaked into the pav. So it's very delicious guys. So let's add some onion first, the side, some lemon. Oh, it's hot. Right? Let's try. Truly said guys, there's something in this pav bhaji. I've had many pav bhaji. I've had pav bhaji in Dadar, but the taste is very different and it's very unique. Because see, pav bhaji consists of all kinds of bhajis, but the thing is what makes it different is the masala. So the masala from here, the Siddhivinayak pav bhaji, is something very different. I want you guys to come and try over here, and it's a thumbs up for this dish, and very good and tasting. And if you see the pav guys, completely filled with butter. So if you order a pav bhaji from here, I bet you would not stop eating, because yeah, and on top of that, if you want, you can add cheese as well, because cheese gives a very creamy texture to it, and it will give you a different taste as well. In Mumbai, if you don't have cheese, that means you're not a Mumbaiker. In Mumbai, you always have to have cheese in each and every dish. So guys, one more bite. I like it. So as a kind gesture guys, they have given us to try their famous pulao as well. So let's try it and let's taste it, and let's let you know guys how is their pulao over here. So the pav bhaji is very delicious. I must say guys, it was very delicious. I am highly impressed addition to this, while talking to the person who was making over here, he also said that there is one more center here only in the stalls, which is named as Siddhivinayak Center. It's close by to here. So anywhere you find Siddhivinayak's stall, it's the both stalls of theirs only. So you can try it out any outlets here in the Zoo food court. So let's try the pulao. Guys, let's go in. They've used basmati rice. As you can see, it's completely, you can see बहुत छोटा है ये rice, बहुत अच्छी तरह से पका है. They have added carrots, masala, they have spice which they do not disclose. Obviously it's a very big brand, Siddhivinayak, and they have added coriander, they have added onion and touch of more vegetables into it. They also added butter into it, so the taste of butter is like, the rice is very delicious, it's properly cooked. I must say guys, if you want rice, come down here, try their pulao, which is also very delicious. It's not, I thought it would be tasting like the pav bhaji because it's made in the same tawa, but no, it is completely different and the masala is very different from the pav bhaji. So thumbs up to this as well, and thank you to the person who gave us to try this. Unexpected, but it came out to be very delicious dish. So this is their menu. You can pause the video and you can check the menu. Siddhivinayak fast food. They have 2 outlets. भाई बहुत बढ़िया था भाई आपका डिश. सॉरी आपको तकलीफ दे रहा हूँ खाना खाने के टाइम पे, आपका खाने का टाइम है, बट बहुत अच्छा लगा भाई. थैंक यू वेरी मच. तो हमारे सब्सक्राइबर्स को भी ऐसे ही मिलेगा ना ट्रीटमेंट. थैंक यू वेरी मच भाई, थैंक यू वेरी मच. तो सिद्धिविनायक फास्ट फूड, गाइस कम एंड ट्राई द डिलीशियस डिशेस, द पाव भाजी and the pulaus.
Guys, stay tuned for the second part of this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to press that bell icon so that you get notifications whenever I upload any video.